Good morning, good morning. It actually wasn't a bad spot here, was it?
No. Something definitely went on down there, didn't it?
Yeah, about 5 o'clock, 5:30, suspicious
there
activities.
was suspicious activities.
There was a car waiting, another car pulled up, and then a lady drove in with a really big beaming smile on her face.
Jumped in his car.
And jumped between
they left
the
the
cars.
On.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's etiquette for. We don't.
But
know.
yeah, that was 5:30 and pretty much still daylight, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But other than that, once we battened down the hatches and shut everything up, it was really quite nice and quiet, wasn't it?
It was.
And
Pouring down now.
I moved us to the corner. Shell wants to get in
I'm
now.
retreating.
She's retreating. So yeah, I moved us to the corner so no one could pretty much come in front or behind. It wasn't quite level, so we had to block up a bit. But it's a really nice little spot, to be fair. Really sheltered as well, so nice place to spend the night. We've got the part for the diesel heater coming to an Amazon drop box, so I'll have to go and get that. That's coming about 1, but I might go up to the top view because the chap yesterday
should show him how much electricity that little heater uses. Daddy.
So yeah, we had to use the electric heater last night, and so it's one of those small ones. It's 500 watt. So thought I'd have a quick look. I also ran the immersion to warm the hot water up for pots and washes at the end of the day. And so yeah, we've used, you can see it there, but I'll take a screenshot. There it is. Just 50% of our battery for the first time, but that's why we bought the bigger battery, so we could, if need be, do a couple of days to 4 days. In the summer, obviously, we won't need heating, so when we get into Europe in the summer, if we find a nice spot, we can basically load up and not move for 4 days, can't we?
Yeah.
And just let him play in the water and be happy and have a boat and that sort of thing. But it's a good job we have got such a big battery, and it was pulling 45 amps. And then obviously we've got the fridge on and the lights and charging all the devices. But yeah, no problems, no issues at all with the electric, and that Roma battery just keeps on plodding on.
Keep on plodding.
Shell's singing keep
I
on
can't do
plodding.
bubble for me.
Right, we're going to go in. We'll probably go up to the top car park. So we've come right up to the top now.
He's having a bottle of fizz for Valentine's Day.
Oh, that's
Isn't that
nice.
lovely?
So the nice chap we spoke to last night, he said to come up to this one and just walk to the edge. Because he said it's pretty impressive.
And it is.
Oh, it's not bad, is it?
It's lovely.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely higher, a lot higher than I was yesterday.
It's all right.
Happy Valentine's Day and all that. It is Valentine's Day. We did get each other Valentine's Day cards, didn't we?
We did.
We couldn't find a pen to write them, so we just gave them to each other this morning. We'll write them when we get home. We were well prepared for this one, weren't we?
And Casanova in the van was devastated because he wasn't home to receive his Valentine's cards.
All his Valentine's cards.
All his Valentine's cards.
So that is Ilkley down there. Look at the mist coming up over here.
It's lovely. Are you going up?
I might have a go up in a minute, yeah.
I'm going back.
Ilkley, Cow and Calf, Skipton, Burdale. Shell's going back. So it's just me going up to the top viewpoint. But yeah, that is Ilkley down there. Farnley Hill, White Horse is over there. So what is that? Yes. Almsliff Crag is that thing I could see yesterday. I don't know if we can make it out today, but just around over there is like a rocky top, Harrogate, Arthington Viaduct in New York, and I don't think we're going to get to see that far today because it's a bit misty, but it's still fantastic. Hello. Morning. You all right? Here we come up to the top. Is this the highest point then? It looks like it. Wow, it is a little bit higher. Let's get up. Might be a little bit slippy. I don't think I'll go right to the edge. We're definitely getting a bit wet this morning. Little gap, jump, and that's it. This looks like the highest spot round here. Right on the edge of this. Wow, I would imagine. Oh, there's the airfield. So that must be Leeds over there then. York, Harrogate, Almscliff, Crag, Ilkley, Skipton back that way. A mist just coming up through the trees. Not bad really. You can't really complain. That was cute, them two with their glass of fizz. Right, I'm gonna get down off here. It's not particularly slippy, but you know, why tempt it? Oh. Let's get down this little bit here. There we go. Let's not slip on the last. That's it. We're down. So yeah, the mound here. Where are we? Yeah, that mound. That mound there. There we go. Whoa, whoa, there. That mound there is the very top point where we've just been stood. And I'm off back to the van because it's persisting at the moment. So I'll get the Osmo away before it gets any more waterlogged. And I'll see you in a bit. There it is. Ilkley. Another spot out like Harrogate, isn't it? We came through yesterday, but it's traffic today. We don't want to head too far out, do we, to the side? So we're probably going to start heading back across and go up to Jeffreys Hill, where we were going to stay on first night, but we ended up coming round, didn't we, and staying up there. So we'll go up to the top of there. That was lovely, that place at the top there though, wasn't it? Yeah. You could just see where they've been doing the donuts though, couldn't you?
Yeah. It's quite a big car park, there's nowhere where you can top it.
Get out of the way of folk. $1934.
We go over.
Yeah, I think you can go over. Oh well, we'll just go and have a look. It's nice to be out for a second. Yeah, so we've stopped here at this little iron bridge and we thought there's a nice little beach here for him to throw some stones. Bit of a bounce on this one, isn't there?
Yeah. Get in the water.
You can't get in, no, it's too cold and fast.
Maybe in spring.
Yeah, maybe in spring. When it gets a bit warmer, we'll be able to get in the water again. Someone's written on here. The section of the river located downstream of the Stonehenge Bridge is currently contaminated with sewage. Lovely. Bathing not advised. Now you can't get in this water anyway, but we can throw some stones. It's a lovely example of an old iron bridge, that. 1934, first erected. Come on, you can do it. It's a shame it's contaminated with sewage, isn't it? It's a lovely spot. It's in the big heron over there, Maximus. And some ducks. Do you reckon you could reach that island? Should I try and skim one? Do you reckon I can reach the heron? This one? It only bounced once and then caved. That's not a show off. That's a better one. Woo! Oh, that one just plummeted, hit a wave and sank straight away. Look at that.
Oh, wow. What is
I
it?
don't know, it's like little fossilised stuff, isn't it, in there?
Yeah.
Strange. Oh, he's a good skimmer. There he is. He's off again. There he is.
My goodness.
Oh, he's got one.
Yeah. Yeah. He's got quite a few.
We came up to the top of Jeffrey Hill, but it's very busy and it's very misty, and there's a lot going on here today. I don't know whether it's one of those walkers clubs or something.
Yeah, it could be.
Could be, couldn't it? I think we're going to go down into Chipping, into the village, because apparently you can stay at the village. Yeah, it's lovely. There's a lovely little campsite there as well, isn't there? The Brickcroft, is it?
Yeah, that rings a bell, doesn't it?
We stayed in the caravan on there, and obviously if you're coming down in a caravan, it's perfect, but we obviously don't need the facilities on site, so we thought we'd stay up here, and it is starting to lift a little bit. We've not even been able to fly the drone so far, have we? Because it's all been restricted airspace in the Leeds airport, Leeds Bradford airport, is it? I don't know. I've flown from there before. It was a steep climb up though, up to the top here, and we had to. Oh yeah, here they all come. Well, I wonder if this is all them then. Should we hang on for 5 more minutes? Yeah, I'll go down to the village. I just think the view's lifting, isn't it?
Well,
You can see how flooded the land is down there.
I think the village hall today.
Right.
It does look like
Wow, it does look like a walkers club, doesn't it?
yeah.
They're all coming off together. So I'm going to take the diesel heater to pieces again, which for this one is just a twist off the back cap and then break the clips. Well, not break them, but you know, snap to release. My plug's here and plugged in underneath into the main board. Here, there we go, that's out. And they send you a tool now just to show what was going on. Here's the new kit, and here we go. There's the new plug. There's the tool that can slide over the wiring and in and undo it. It looks like, where are we? Yeah, that's just going straight in. It's a ceramic heating. There's two wire contacts there, and that looks like all it is, just that ceramic. I don't think you're supposed to touch it, and it doesn't look like it comes with a seal just for that section, so I'm not going to take it to pieces. I'm not going to clean it out. I can do that at a later time, but just for tonight we need the heating on. Right, let's get it out. I would imagine I can get a screwdriver through there. Yeah, that was easy enough. Come on now. And there it is. There you go. You can see down into the chamber there. The burn chamber. Is it going to get some? There we are. So that's just straight down into the burn chamber. I can see. Oh, the mesh looks tidy. Looks clean. I can't see any problem with that mesh at all. The whole chamber looks clean. Right, get the new one in and see what that does. Nice and gently. Don't really want to touch anything if I can help it. Straight through the middle and in. Job's a good one. Go on, you bugger. Oh, you bugger. Right, I'll take it off. I wanted to do it without taking it off, but it looks like it's going to be a take it off type of job. There we go. You can come up. And there we are. Right, that way. For the board. And we can see now that it goes that way. I really can't believe it's gone so quickly. But hey diddle diddle. What can you do? There's not a lot really you can do with that one, is there? Just build it back up, put it back together. Have we lost the we have the silicone. Oh, where have you gone? Dampener. Right. That went back on. And then this goes on there like that, and we are together. Okay, got the views back in. 12 volt. I don't know whether to give it a quick prime first or whether to just let it try. And there we go.
Is it working? Yay!
It seems to be working, so I don't know why it went. I couldn't tell you.
But you fixed it.
But that's a quick fix on the road. The burn chamber looks clean down that hole, obviously without stripping it all down and changing gaskets off and stuff. I don't know. It may need to pump some fuel through, or it may just burn out what it's got in there. But it's definitely not faulting straight away. Let's give it a minute and see if we get going. Yeah, it's heating the glow plug up. You can see it's drawing through. Good. There we go. Job's a good one. Nice heat coming out. Right, I think I'll just turn it down and let it warm through into the garage and that, because it got quite chilly last night, didn't it? In that garage.
Yeah, but I was still okay.
Yeah, no,
it was the night before. It wasn't shut properly. It was the night before.
It wasn't shut properly, no.
It wasn't shut properly. So Max keeps opening and closing the doors, so it wasn't shut properly, but Graham locked it. But that was it. I was really cold.
But the loo was chilly last night, and the garage was chilly last night because because I've got 3 different vents. I've got the main one into the cab, then I've got one into the loo. So I'm going to open up my loo vent there, and that can just puff around a bit. So, and then I've got one that comes up and out the back to keep shell warm. We're going to go and get some from the pub, if you could. So we'll go and eat out, okay?
How?
Till we go. A couple of minutes, that's all. I'm going to just...
Fine.
Oh yes, there you go. It's burning some off. It's probably got a bit to burn off, because I tried to pump it through a couple of times thinking it just needed pumping through. But all is good. All is good. Right, let's pack up. And we're going to go for some tea.
Yes.